Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bakamzitho will be talking about baby mama kaBhubezi, which is Uvuyokazi. Guys, Uvuyokazi, you can see that she is making money and she is living the life sonke esifuna. Oh yena kudala ayifuna. Guys, uVuyokazi recently take uyenza surgery weight loss, and I mean I didn't see anything wrong. If it's something she really wanted and she has money, why not? Because if you are not comfortable with the body that God gave you or with the body that you have, sometimes we are saying this body God gave us, can't you know it's the food that we eat and ama habits eswayenza that ayenza ukusigcine sinale body. Now we ask she gained a lot of weight after aqeda ukuthola ifirst born yakhe, which is uMhlophekazi, and after then azange asakwazi ukuluza iweight lobo ongasho umzimba wakhe, but then she went to take, and we know that surgery is very expensive. Guys, on ama vlogs kaVuyokazi is driving a Mercedes Benz. So abanye abantu they were saying imoto leyana kuseyakhe uyihireile, but guys, just think about it, how much ukuhire a Mercedes Benz? That means girl unayo imali, unayo. Mina nje now I'm so convinced that Uvuyokazi is making money. I don't know whether it's YouTube or ama brands or she is making, because we know that there were allegations that Uvuyokazi uyigraduate yase-UNISA uqedile i-degree yakhe. So we don't know whether uyasebenza now or not, because one thing about Uvuyokazi, she is so private. Guys, even namalive with following anayo, if it was someone bakazohlala yenza ama-live or bakazohlala post, you can see with this, even with this YouTube thing uyenza just because a lot of fans they want her ukuthi ayenze that YouTube thing. Uyambona nje ukuthi I see into yakhe, you get me? But ke I mean I really enjoy ama vlogs wakhe. So recently she posted iPhone 16 today. Guys, she posted iPhone 16 and abonga nje ukuthi this is the new phone that she'll be using, and we know that iPhone 16 is very expensive, guys. It above 20,000. So that means if you guys has 20,000 to buy a phone, that shows that is another thing. It's showing ukuthi, you know what, this girl is making a lot of money, and I'm happy for Uvuyokazi. Futhi since wathatha abantwana bakhe kaMseleku ahlala nabo kubo, it shows that asinayo nje nento ukuthi kaMseleku bazothi no akanakekela ingane. No, uzinakekela ingane zakhe, and we know that there were allegations that uMpumelelo akazondla ingane zakaVuyokazi. That means Uvuyokazi, she's basically a single mother, guys, and yokuthi akazondla ingane, mina ngeva I saw on that time, you know, Uvuyokazi walotshola last year ngithi Chef Xolani once said uwisha ngathi Uvuyokazi once said she wish as if Umpumelelo angayenza the way Chef Xolani yenza ngakhona enganeni yakhe. So I don't know ngoba uChef Xolani naye bekwenye indoda enamanga, but nje the way sibona ngakhona izinto and the way kaMseleku manje izinto ezikhona singamboni uMhlephakazi kaMseleku. I don't think kaMseleku they are playing i-role yabo. Anyway, Umpumelelo akasebenzi. Guys, talking about Umpumelelo, guys, on the previous episode of Uthando Nesithembu, ubaba kaBhubezi, which is uMusamseleku, bekakhuluma noBhubezi lakhe phela athi iSouth Africa yonke nomfazi wakhe, which is uMayeni, they are saying iwe omosha Umpumelelo. Guys, I'm still saying mina Umpumelelo unjenje ubabakhe. Namanje Umpumelelo uyamuva nje ubabakhe lapha makakhuluma naye uthi usofuna ukuthatha intambo ongakashoni. So kusho ukuthi umthembisile le ntambo, and umfana ke akasakwazi ukubekezela ngoba nasi isithembu sakhe usilindile. So washo ke ubabakhe amcela ukuthi, you know what, ngicela ukuthi uthathe, if uyaqala ukuthatha isithembu, sicela uqale ngoMiskale, ngoMamkale. Azange azaliqede ke. We know that uMamkale umama ka second born kaMpumelelo angicishe ngathi unzulu, it's not unzulu, usingabakho. So that means uMpumelelo akafuna ukuthatha uTirelo ukuthi abe unkosikazi wakhe yokuqala, or akafuna nje ukuthatha uTirelo. And the sad part is uTirelo has been esayidini la kaMpumelelo. uTirelo, you know what, you know mabathi a supportive wife or a supportive girlfriend, they are talking about uMpumelelo. But one thing I know, sorry, saying it's uMpumelelo, they are talking about uTirelo, but one thing I know bazala bamziswa about ukuba supportive nokubekezela, fika la ukhathala khona. Now yes, we may say uTirelo isilima, uTirelo uvumela ukuthi uMpumelelo amenze isilima, but guys, we all know ukuthi uthando lunokukuvala amehlo ungaboni next. But mina I know that kufika la kukhathala khona bese ngakaze sicabange ukuthi empilweni zesoke sibone uMakhumalo ajikela uMusamseleku. We've never thought that, but this season you can see that uMakhumalo akabamba umshini kaMusamseleku enhleke nje akanaso nesikhathi sakaMusamseleku. uMusamseleku makathi 1 uyengcena le athi 35, which is something naye uMusamseleku angayijwayelanga. Nathi ama viewers of Uthando le simo asiyijwayelanga. I think naye uTirelo kusefika la khathala khoza cause into ayenzayo uMpumelelo empilweni kaTirelo is just ukumhlasa. Uke washo uVuyokazi wathi awusizweli isidima sami, awunandaba nesidima sami, enhle isidima sami wena usihuqulela phansi, of which is true. Bazala bamzitho plus you can do comment down below your comments, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngini thanda ukuya nokubuya.